Hello?
Yeah, hold a second. That's him on the phone. Hey, what are you doing? I've been trying to call you for hours now.
Yeah, I got home and I was just taking a quick nap before I head out to the next job.
Okay, so I'm super embarrassed right now. The card did not go through on the second bag. I could only get one. Do you know what happened?
So you're still at the mall right now?
Yes, it's just 7:30.
And how could the card not go through? There's about $4,000 on that card.
$4,000? No wonder the second transaction got declined. The first bag was 3,600. So, what about my birthday trip next week to Mexico? You do have the money for that, right?
Honey, I'm working my butt off. I have two jobs and I'm swamped up to my neck in bills. Can't this trip wait for another time?
Hold off on the trip? It's my birthday. How could you even think of even? Are you nuts?
I'm doing my best. I'm doing
Your
my
best?
best.
Your best? Well, you know what? It's not good enough. You need to step up your game or get off the field.
Honey, I took 2 hours off early from work today because I'm heading to the bank. I have an appointment to see if I'm approved for a loan. Man, we're up to our neck in bills. I hope I'm approved, and I really don't hope it takes too long because I got to get to that second job and I can't be late.
I hope you're approved because my trip is coming up really fast.
Your trip? I'm up to my neck in bills and you're worried about a trip. The bills are our priorities right now.
Oh, please. The bills ain't going nowhere, but I am. So go get that money. And if you do a good job, I may have something special for you later. Um, oh, you'll be at work. Never mind.
Oh boy. Alright.
Oh, no. Wait a minute. No, honey. When you bring that loan back, then you may get something special later.
Wow. Alright, see you later.
Hmm. Let me call my girl and see what she up to. I'm so excited.
Uh,
Hey girl, what's going on? Are you ready for that trip?
Sonia, I don't even know how I can tell you this right now, but honestly, I'm going to have to sit this one out.
Wait, what? Why? Girl, you're tripping right now.
So I wish I was joking. I wish you could see my face. Eyes are black, lip is busted. I can't even go outside right now. Like, my man just literally busted my lip and we just went into it. I can't do this right now.
Girl, again? Oh my god. You need to report this to the police. Like, seriously. Oh my god, I am so afraid that one of these days we're gonna find you dead. So, what was it about this time?
He's been laid off since the pandemic. He wants me to pay everything, finance his bad habits. He's been drinking nonstop, smoking nonstop. He wants me to cook, clean everything, and he is home all the time. Last night we just got into it, and he just said some horrible stuff. I said some stuff, and you know how that went.
Girl, I'm so sorry. Like, are you okay? Like, can I do anything for you? Do you need me to come get you? I mean, you know I got you. Oh,
Girl, I know you got me, but I just need a man like yours. Like, even half of it. You don't know how good you have it. A man that cooks. You don't even cook. You be home all day. A man that works 2 jobs. My man doesn't even want to work. God has just really blessed you, Toya. Like, don't you see that? Pray for your man, sis, because God just has to cover. And men like that, rare. Rare.
girl, I'm so sorry. You know what? I gotta go. I'll talk to you later, okay? I love you.
I love you more.
Yo, bro, all going. I'm good, man. How are you? Yeah, bro, I'm in a spot, man. Yeah. I'm on my way from the bank. I just pulled over on the side of the road. Try to get a loan, bro, cause man, the bills are killing me, bro. And Toya has a trip next week that I'm trying to get her to cancel, and she's not budging, man. Yeah. Yo, you think you could probably loan me like a $5,000 until the end of the month? Yeah, I understand, man. I just don't know how I'm gonna tell her that the bank declined this loan. You know what I mean? Yeah, because I have an outstanding loan already with them, and yeah, they're saying they can't approve another one. So I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just so stressed right now, bro. Yeah, but I appreciate it though, man. Yeah, I understand, bro. All right, man. I'll talk to you later, okay? All right.
Oh, God. How could I be like this? Oh, God. Please forgive me, Father. Please forgive me. I feel so ashamed. Oh, God. Honey, God, you're home. Hi, babes. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I think we need to talk.
I need to talk to you too. Hear me out, please. I have been a terrible wife to you. I've treated you so bad. You don't even deserve any of that. I don't know what got a hold of me. I feel so ashamed. You've been such a wonderful person to me, and you're the best thing that ever happened to me. As a matter of fact, I don't need the bag anymore. I'm gonna take it back to the store tomorrow, okay? And then that way you can pay off the bills. I'm so sorry, I was selfish. Please forgive me. Please. Because I need you. I can't afford to lose you. Just please say you forgive me. Please. Please, honey.
I forgive you.
You do?